for the great coordinations and to make sure your presence is here. I want to thank you so much. My sister, the Minister for States for Economics Monitoring, I also want to thank you so much for coordinating and cooperating with us when we are mobilizing the people to come here. I also want to thank the generals here, the 5th Division Commander, 3rd Division Commander, and all other commanders for their efforts for peace and security. My brother, the RDC and the LC5, and all the leaders present in this place, thank you for coming. Allow me to speak in the local language. Just within 3 minutes, I will be done because of time. I greet you all. Thank you for coming today. We are here to listen. And we are here to listen from General Muhoozi. He was sent by the president to Agago. Clap your hands for him. Ladip General, you are coming today. Restore the hope and the confidence of the Agago people on the government. Your presence here today, it is going to confirm to us, the Agago people, that the Karamojong atrocities are going to stop. Many people should have been here. Even if we had the problem at the district, some people were demobilizing. Because they thought we were coming for campaign. We are here because of the problem people are undergoing. The problem we went through is enough. For us, we want the same way Moses said to the Egyptians, that let my people go in peace. We want you as General Muhoozi. If you reach Karamoja, tell them to allow the people of Acholi to remain in peace. We want our home to develop like other districts. Many government programs have been destroyed by the Karamoja. Children are not going to school in some parts of the district. 2 weeks ago, Karamojong will let children who were from school. Children can't go to school peacefully. Now there are many people who can't even go to school. Because parents have lost their wealth to the government. They have no power to pay their children. I'm requesting you today with a humble heart, because I believe the president will listen to you, and the capacity and the power you have. We want the government to give free education to the children of Agago. Senior 6 leavers who are home today. There are many people at home. They have nothing to take them to the university. Because the Karamojong have raided their cattle. For us, we don't want to lag behind. Because we are supporting the government. That is my first request to you. All people have said, please. We want action now. We have spoken enough. Secondly, we have the UPDF. They are also trying their best to support us. But the equipment they have, the logistics are not enough. The big vehicles that can penetrate through the thick forest are not there. The UPDF in Karamoja have everything. But here, our UPDF don't have. And the UPDF are struggling. We want that your presence here today should help us, because we know if you give an order, they are going to follow. Starting next week. We want armored vehicles to be brought to support the UPDF. They penetrate the jungles, rescuing our cattle. That will support us. And finally, all have been spoken. People have spoken about the healthy and other ex-soldiers. Sincerely, we are tired of the current problem. We want guns in every villages. Because Karamojong are raiding village to village. That is my humble request to you. So that the current UPDF we have work hand in hand. And the current problem will become history. Finally, now that the Karamojong are burning people's houses, the food stored have been burned down. And our problem, because of their poverty, are still staying in grass houses. And we believe and we know that the government has the power. Allow me to request you. Talk to the president. All these sub-counties along the borderline. The government should give us iron sheets to replace the grasses, so that people are in position to protect themselves and their properties. If you can send the iron sheets to Karamoja, if you can give the goats to Karamoja, then how about us? What can you give us? This is my humble request to you. Nothing much to say. We're ready to work together with the government to ensure that the current problem becomes history. This here, our people are not going to stay in camp. If not, all of us are going to the bush. We shall join the UPDF to go and fight the Karamojong. Ensure that peace is restored in our land. Thank you for coming. We love you. We are going to move together with you. May God protect you. Thank you. Man Kilwani, Honorable Dr. Lillian Abe, woman MP, make it from district. Udom Chingo County. Honorable Natingam, we are pure will lock man and chill. La wo, la dit, General Muhoozi. Yesterday, when we were returning from Namukora, I made a stopover in Dayera. People said one thing only. That now that you have come, it shouldn't take a week. We should start acting now. Now, so that the problem should come to an end. Just yesterday, I've been telling people the good messages you sent them, and they said one thing. They said all that you have said in Kitgum are good, but we want action now.
General Muhoozi, I want to thank you for coming. Your love for the people of Acholi has been exhibited on many occasions. You gave your youthful age to serve the people of Acholi and bring peace and chase Konyi from our Acholi land. Most of the people here think it's your first time to be in Acholi land, but I know you've been here way back a long time ago. I remember when I shared with you about these challenges, you made a statement, I will come and meet the people, listen to them, see them physically, and look for immediate solutions. From the time you have been given the highest rank of being a general in the army, this is your first time to reach Acholi land, and you are coming for a noble cause to chase away the Karamajong from Acholi land. And I want to sincerely thank you for that. The people of Acholi love you. We have your supporters among the people here. General MK Oye! General MK Oye! MK Army Oye! I know they would have loved to spend much time with you. But because of the time and the duties you have, you will not spend a lot of time. But this youth whispered to me, they said I should tell you that you are the future and the hope for this country. Because of your passion and your love for the people. You left everything you were doing. You postponed your engagements out of the country. And you said you will come to Kitgum and Agago. Thank you so much, Jim.
How are people? This big man. We are speaking before him today. He has the answer to our problem we are talking about now. I know that all we have spoken will be put into action. You are members of parliament. I want to appreciate them in your presence. There are surely people appreciate people after they are dead. Appreciate me now that I'm still alive. Don't wait for our leaders to die and you appreciate them later. Appreciate them now. Your leaders have done a great job. We have spoken. We can hold guns and run after the Karmajong. What we do is speaking where we are supposed to speak. Our again is speaking out of hunger, but I am unable to run. This is the work of the security. But my request is, you people collaborating with the Karmajong, you are going to take our secret. You are the one, you are their eyes. Our ancestors are looking at you. You would stop it now. If animals are raided and we are following, let's go and speak the truth. Don't make work hard. If they have raided 30, go and recover 30. If you go to recover 90, yet in the actual sense they raided 30, it makes the work of leaders hard. Nothing much to say. I love you. Our general also loves you. Your leaders are hardworking. No, please don't disturb them when election time comes. I want to take this opportunity to welcome, to invite the minister, Honorable
Beatrice Akori.
Good. Praise God. Praise the Lord. Our chief guest for tonight's function,
General Muhoozi
General Muhoozi Kanerugaba.
Honorable.
My sister, woman MP, Honorable Dr. Abe Lilian.
Agago North.
My brother, Ukotonamos, MP Agago North.
MP Agago County, Honorable David Lagen Atoka.
My brother, Lagen David Atoka, MP Agago County. The army officers.
5th Division Commander Matikai.
The 5th Division Commander present. Stand up for recognition. Many people don't know you. He's the 5th Division Commander.
Division Commander Maaki Division Madek Moroto.
We also have the 3rd Division Commander based in Moroto.
Brigade Commander Manarati District Female Youth Councilor Mipade.
He formerly worked here in Pade when I was the youth female councillor. He fought very hard against Coin. And now we have peace in the Choli land. Stand up for recognition, sir. We also have leaders, district leaders. The Deputy RDC Agago, stand up for recognition. This is the one.
What is the DPC in the Agago? DPC Agago Tikwena.
The DPC of Agago. She is in charge of our security.
I want to take this opportunity to thank Major Namara Emmanuel for the great work you are doing. Stand up for recognition. I recommend him for promotion. He has done great work here. I want also to take this opportunity to thank the 5th Division Commander. In most cases, even at 3 a.m., we've been calling him. He has been responding to the plea of our people. We want to thank you so much, Brigadier.
Thank you so much for the great job well done. Now what we want is, we need to work hard to stop this problem. RDC Agago, the chairman LC5 and the district councillors, the chairman of Agago district, Agwan Joseph, stand up for recognition.
District Speaker,
we also have Wateki Leto Hot, the district speaker of Agago.
DPC prisons,
Prison commander, stand up for recognition. Before I let's bow our head for 2 seconds to commemorate the people who lost their lives in the hands of the Karamojong. May their soul rest in peace.
General,
General, I would like to welcome you to Agago district. Thank you so very much for coming, and we believe that your coming will bring to an end this problem.
Thank you so much for coming.
Our people
Prime Minister, your fist Goro la choka wi moy waloko lokom kor ma jong kamo way ma wa biro ka wariye wa biro ka lokom kor ma jong wi on ne ma tinni wan ma jallu tela maka bigu wa wala ne ware don ko waloro wore ko do lori tanyo doki wi godu wa wan to ke lo joni kan ni lok.
Our people of Agago, we have been sending your voices in different platforms, on the floor of parliament, in cabinet, in army offices, in so many places. And today, we have decided that in this gathering, you, the grassroots people, should be in position to talk directly to our chief guest. I want to appreciate the precarious speakers. I want to say a few things before I invite the chief guest. Like you have heard people say before, the current problem went down a bit before. When the disarmament exercise was done in Karamoja. And the disarmament exercise gave people the opportunity to go back to their ancestral land. And now that if you move in many places in this land, you will find people owning so many cattle because people were in position to go and dig, get harvest, and they bought cattle. But now, Karamojong have bought guns. And now they are coming to sweep away our cattle. And all along we have been speaking very hard to restore peace and development in Acholi. The first thing we want to be done is to disarm all the Karamojong. The second thing we are requesting you to do is what we recommended previously to the president, and it was done. That is the recruitment of the local defense unit. That would add to restore peace, and we are requesting you again.
We trust the competent of our UPDF. We even know they fought so many wars and they defeated. But if you see the kind of atrocities being committed by Karamojong, because these people, they don't have front like the former LRA, like ADF. They don't have front where the UPDF can go and fight them and defeat them easily. That's why we are highly recommending that let our reserve forces who are here, they were already recruited, 5 per parish, and what was left only was training them and harming them so that they help in fighting this vice.
Let if you do us a favor and you give guns to the local guys here, you will not come back here again to speak about Karamojong problem. Imagine these people are fighting the Karamojong using bars and arrows. And tomorrow, if you give them guns, how much will they help us?
So the
first issue that will help us immediately is helping you. Another thing is another issue.
Within Karamoja sub-region.
Security roads are being constructed in Karamoja.
Bordering sub-counties, no districts.
But it is not yet reaching the bordering sub-counties. The Karamojong are using the good roads in their area to come and raid other animals. They load in the vehicles and they go and sell. As our soldiers are struggling hard to run and recover the animals, the Karamojong shall have already loaded the animals in the trucks and taken for sale. We have planned for 5 security roads.
Agago district.
The one we have in Agago. Others in Kitgum district. We are requesting that these roads should be constructed to ease the work of the UPDF. I wrote a letter to the Ministry of Finance to allocate resources for the construction of these roads, but the letter was referred to the Ministry of Defense. So we are requesting you to make full help so that the money come for the construction of the roads. Because 29 billion shillings was given for the construction of roads in Karamoja. In the same way, money should also be given to support the construction of security roads in Acholi.
Lutero kichi tie kwanti na lawyer gi gitia pok bodwa machalo members me parliament ba pegi kero me chulu down ni we lega watini lutero ne kimi gi scholarship.
And another thing I want to talk about is we have many orphans who lost their parents in the hands of the Karamojong. We are unable to support these children. We are requesting the government to support the children who are orphans who lost their parents in the hands of the Karamojong.
We
also want a special health program for the people who sustain injuries. The relatives of the people who lost their lives should also be compensated. People who sustain injuries should also be compensated. I took this issue before cabinet as your representative.
Directing the minister Maneno Kumarami Uganda Kukapiki cabinet document where could do Pagamente Michu Lujoma Koramajon Nerogi, Kijoma Wano, Kijoma Legi Kiguano, my minister Maneno Kumarami Uganda, Ki minister Mikaramoja, Gitika Tikachiel, Makai Nen document on Tum. When I
presented this issue in cabinet, the issue was referred to the minister for northern Uganda, and she was tasked to come up with a concept to be adopted by cabinet so that a position is taken to compensate the people who lost their lives and properties under the Karamojong problem.
Yeah, Miapachua, Mogotila, Mogotia, Dilang, Madon Koromojo, Riamogi, Wachua, Lokibo, Prime Minister, Kilotera, Maka, Bigumatica, and Wanabosgi, one killer game, Nimia, Kill Cham, Prime Minister Luo Bene, District Security Committee, Mikum, Kipade, Waberika Chaka office for President, Maki Mogonegi Kill Cham, Eto, Waberika Lobokar, Watin, Champia, or Nadit Konwabene, Wek Chamu, Kan.
We also reported about the people in camps that food relief should be brought to support them. But up to now, nothing on the ground. We are requesting you to make follow-up so that our people are supported with relief items.
We are not going to jump to the one, Jim Mamir down, Kilo to the one, Miroki, Bati, but Jomati Boda, in the sub-counties, Muru Boda, where Bene, get out, but the Kirka Kormujo, Biro, come out, but it's here, pick it where Euro, keep my committee, get you down, take it down to your body, pick it over to down, look at the tip of Prime Minister, Nadit Konwa Bene, Kiloko.
We also reported to the Prime Minister that since the Karamojong are burning down the grass houses, the office of the Prime Minister should supply our people with iron sheets so that we construct at least semi-permanent building that can protect them and their properties.
You know what, keep my special attention ketika mi Karamoja pia yela matikuno miero pegi kwada pegi miero pegi nene operation ne ubedi Karamoja keken wa miero special attention bero bedbot districts matika bordering sub counties pia nilo mo makan lutela makan pegi tika yue chawa wengi tika kwa kan kikuja wa miero bede kake tika mi obati Karamoja kemi bodwa kake tika konjo lumo matikuda kimo we are the Yoro, we are police, Yoro, Beneke me, police, Kimon, Mabotwa, Kidong Bene, Jama Kony, we are going to give me that home. Piana Chuli Mera Mutulachen, John Maketi Kani, give me a little what give a good and getting a gay facilitation, my bag. Give the kind of boy facilitation, my bag. Kilo Watchko, we are what Machel Tella, what merely give me about the Mona good and give me, but I got one make Wamakani. We're going to give me that home, where local love could have more wind. Yeah, actually.
Now that the government is putting special emphasis in Karamoja, the operation going on there, the same support should also be given to the UPDF officers here, so that they have the necessary logistics and the support to help us fight the Karamojong warriors.
I don't have a lot to say because all our issues were raised by the local people. My work is only to welcome you, to come and talk to your people. We love you so much. We believe in you. You're most welcome. Come and talk to your people.
Appoint. Thank you so much. Matthew, give me your pergament. Honorable Dietrich Sakori. My sister, Honorable Lillian Aber. Mera, Mego, Lillian Aber. Honorable Thomas Fox. Again. Me, Uganda People Defense Forces. LT3 we time. Ladies and gentlemen. I'm very happy to visit Agago. Agago. And especially this area of Omia Patrol. South County. I'm very happy to see. I'm very happy to see the many people that have come to attend this meeting. In the army, we call such a meeting baraza. Where people exchange views freely and honestly. Without any fear. Because we're trying to solve a problem. So I thank all the speakers who spoke for all the ideas they have put forward. First of all, on behalf of the government of Uganda and the UPDF, I want to apologize to you for the suffering you have endured at the hands of those criminals. The cattle rustlers. We must be careful not to blacklist the whole people. There are very many good Karamojong, but there are few criminals. And they are our brothers and sisters. No? So we should focus on the criminals and leave the good people alone. Since I came here 3 days ago to Kitgum, I have held
discussions with the security people here.
Abero kikara mibere kachoke kinyamodok kilo tiro mon kilo gokuch.
To find out how can we improve our security operations.
Ne wano timu girango mabe wekwa lo kirmelwen ikomje maraju macharo karmojang mayelwani.
First of all, the history of insecurity in this part in northern Uganda, of course, you know, is quite long.
Ka wi upo lokma balo kuch tunko malama Uganda mo berga karange jewni timaduong mawunbe ungeyo mugu.
We had the problem of Konyi here for many years.
Bobero kilwen malumun kikon kijone gotiwe kabereni.
And you saw the amount of disruption that Konyi and LRA caused.
Uneno arani makon kijone gotimo.
But we were able to defeat Konyi working together.
Wati ukachiel chiwa loyo adui pakon. Go forward.
The army and the people working together.
Lumon gutiu kachiel kidano kilwa civilian.
Even the Karamajong problem was much bigger than it is now.
Wapero makaramajong kili komoni uno deep duom loyo makuberini.
You remember Karamajong used to raid all the way from Moroto up to almost Gulu.
Wiuponi karamajong nogi kwala di chaka gitu Moroto karwa Gulu kuya duchu ubereka yako di padano.
And kill a lot of people and steal a lot of cows.
Unekodar maduong ukwala di mapul ubereka timona.
But now they no longer have that capacity. They have been reduced. The problem has been reduced.
Kerogi mi kwala di kimachom gitimani kuberi dongpe o erwame eroni. Kitiyu matek midwapane mananok dom kudi.
So they are now disturbing us here on the eastern side of Acholi.
Dongitika yellow dame kunyao mi Acholi kanye keken fudubele.
Some of the issues that the security people raised, I can report to you so that you're aware.
Girbuguma ludirumon uberka wachane aron wachu borukan robebere kingeye.
One was to increase the manpower of soldiers here. Up to now, we have only had one brigade active in this district, Ketugum, Agago, and Lamo.
Kumberini, the district, Milamo, Kitgum, Ki Agago, Watie Kidul Mon, Magalone Barole Acheleken,
and the brigade commander. The brigade commander is here.
My brigade commander Nambetikan.
He's here. That is the only force that has been there.
Brigade Acheleken and Notikatich.
So they were requesting for more manpower.
Gengo Berkaleko, Nikimed Lumon.
So that we can deploy them, like the LC1 chairman was saying, we deploy them here.
We don't keep my LC1 Wajane, Kimed Mon,
in Omia Pacho,
Yumia Pachuakan,
then in Namkora.
In Namkora,
with more manpower, you will see a difference.
Kakemedo Wilmon, Chovinano,
Another thing they talked about was more money for transportation, to get more vehicles, transport.
Giambera and Lumon, Guadabora, Nigatwara Kemed, Chenta, we are Kimaro Mokonyagi, Miworo Yoro, Ubetier.
Because sometimes you call them, you tell them that there is a raid happening, but they don't have transport to take soldiers there quickly.
Penny car, Latera on your wound, or go a cheap body, ni pegati ke kaberomone no ki pe ki motaka miriyo yoro mechero kunu.
So that's another issue we're going to solve.
Donc wabinera minerni wawinyo ko gierne wa kemedigi marudan kichenda mugu makonyogi metis pio yoro.
The minister talked of security roads.
Minister ololokom gudi magaramo kertune mawero wabelu yo kamaduitie.
Because even though you have transport, if there's no road, you're not going to do anything. So that was also raised by the officers when I met them. And for Agago, I can read some of the security roads that they have identified. Odom, Korken, Torom,
Maakodom, Bin Korken, Cherwa Yorom,
Kokil, Korken,
Maake Kona Kokil, Chero, Korken,
to Longodam,
Cherwa Longodam,
Acholinyet,
Cherwa Acholinyet Bana,
Kulodwong,
Cherry Kuludwong,
Kamrono,
Gurima Cherry Kuludwong, Cher Kamorono,
to Abim,
Makaro, Cherwa Yabim,
Omia Pacho,
Yoma Aki Umia Pachua,
Kichok,
Cherry Kichok, Marupi Kamunumeo,
joining Kokil to Kacheri.
Chero Mara Yuma Aki Kokil, Chero Kaseri, Matiwa Kotidu.
Laita,
Maaki La Yeba Kan,
to Rome, joining Odom.
Aki La Yera, Chero Rom, Dokerewa, Odom. Odom Tiwi Adilam Quida.
So, if the government works on those security roads, it's going to help our operations.
Donka Kamente, Uti Kum Guri Egini, Bikon Lumon, where a Dui Eri, no warrior, Kijoke, Berio.
So I will take this this paper back to the president.
Abikwano, Katachene, Achualo, board, the date president.
And ask him to send the Ministry of Works people to start working on these roads.
When Ochuan teach ministry, may you poguru, Gubin Chocho, Katidia.
It will help us.
Bikonyawa.
The other issue they raised, which is for us, is the Air Force. We had our Air Force in Moroto, our helicopters. Which help us in operations, in hitting the enemy, but also in identifying him quickly. But I hear those helicopters were taken back, so we are going to bring them back. One of the speakers talked about, I think it was LC5 chairman, talked about what happened at Longo Dam when you went to identify your cows. I heard about that story, but I want the division commander to come and explain to you what happened, because the LC5 chairman was saying maybe the army was compromised. No, I want him to explain so you know.
Alexander, translate that.
So, what happened at Longo Dam? UPDF joint operations with the 5th Division and 3rd Division we impounded over 2,000 cows. We called people from Abim, Agago, and Kitugu to conduct identification. Give him. Okay. So when the identification was done, okay, people came to Longo Dam. There was a conflict between the people who came to identify the cows whom we may call victims. So as they came, also people of Kotido came. The way of identification created a friction. Because people who came from Kitugum, Agago, and Abim, I think here you said we must tell the truth. And when we tell the truth, you should also talk the truth. People, when they were called just to pick the cows. Most of them did not come to identify the cows. When they reached there, of course they had come with ropes, new ropes. They were allowed to go and do identification. Even those who did not have cows stolen from them, they had to pick cows. That brought a misunderstanding. And the exercise was postponed. At a later time, another identification was done. 474 cows were picked. Still the cows were contested by Kotidu. I want you to understand that UPDF has no hand in issuing cows as if they are ours. We thought the leadership of the 3 districts would face the leadership of Kotido. And both sides explain their problems. But the conflict that ensued between the two parties in our identification, when the cows have been picked, we require a person who says that this is my cow should really confirm that this is my cow. So it was incumbent on the victims to say that this is my cow and that's how I know it. Before I would go for that identification, I received a letter written to me, also copied to 5 Division Commander, and I received a phone from LC5 Chairperson Kotido, saying that the clan leaders have accepted the stealing of cows from the 3 districts. And that they are going to give the 3 districts 200 cows. I told the chairman, can you please call your counterparts, the chairman Agago, chairman Abim, chairman Kitugum, and explain to this problem. He said they have already written and they have distributed the cows. Remember, the holding of cows were tying our soldiers from operation. So when the letter came for us as UPDF, who does not need to do anything with the cows apart from protection, we followed the letter disputing those cows. 150 to Kitugum, 20 Abim, 30 Agago, and that's how the cows came. The rest of the cows were released back to the GA. But as we were doing that, the GA raided Namukora, 46 cows. Raided Ongaro in Lapono, 34 cows. And jointly, we impounded 175 cows, which are in Longon. We have told the GA that the raided cows are 80 and they have to give 80 cows back to Namukora, that is Kitugum, and Agago in Lapono. We have given them deadline of Sunday. If they don't bring real cows raided from the 2 sub-counties, the 80 cows will come back to Acholi. 46 Namukora, Ongaro, Lapono, 34. Our honorable member of parliament, Kitugum, she was saying, let's try to be honest. Exaggeration of numbers is also complicate the recovery of cows. To be sincere and to tell you the truth, when they steal 7 cows, you declare 40 cows.
Yataka ndo kake kwanyo jai piera piero chi in pere iwat peda iwat ni kibio makaro kibara makaro.
Afande, even yesterday, the cows they told us that they raided, according to the footmarks, it shows that there are 7 cows, but they told us 39 cows.
Wajema ke kwana wo maluka ke ko diang mawanero ke mo ne abiero entu badon ke wajibot mo ndom ke pier dek dom wi abiero.
Please let's always tell the truth.
Walogo kiata chawaweng.
Afo totoa.
Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much. Now, that is a general talking.
Erni o beru general eyo beru kala.
But for me, I am in the middle. Sometimes I'm a general, sometimes I'm a politician.
Enti karikare. Chamo kene ti general, chamo kene ti la politician. General, there is some small mission, if you could allow. These issues of the animals is going to give us more problem than before. Because the Karamojong, they are vowing. They say they will never return the guns. Their animals are in Agago because the army went and raided their animals. And now when you hear the people talk around, they say other animals were taken to that side of Otuge. Other animals went before and bought the lorries. And because of that, all the animals that they identified even never went back to Kotido. So in that situation, we need to go a bit deeper. We need to go a bit deeper so that we solve this. For us as people of Agago, we don't want the Karamojong because the moment they say something, they will do it. So that they don't come and kill our people. We have rejected that animal. We say we are not going to receive it. Let it be there. Let the Karamojong also know that they are animals because of 2000. Then another thing that these people are wondering. In the past, once you have stolen one animal, you pay back 3.
Yes, I remember.
3. And now today, why is that we are negotiating with them? That come and show us and we accept the letters, those kind of things. I know it is beyond. They are very principled people. They do things in an honest way. But of course, these people of ours, we need to sort this thing, maybe not in this meeting.
No, let's not waste time. I would like to propose, what if the government compensated them, those 274 cows? For the 3 districts. Just one person, just one person.
One couple will come. Enter what you need. Kiki kamele don't be ritual dini. Kuchap dini chot wap dini wa ernio. Unu wa yeningo.
Agago de gaman. Mi a chien uno be. Eto mi de Karamojong te kuitika kiri kwa de tanga mene ye chulo kiri pe duo dia na foi.
That is a very good idea, but it's going to give big headache to Karamojong. That when they come and raid, the government is going to compensate, and they will keep doing it.
I agree. I agree.
What are you looking at?
I agree with you.
Are you looking at?
But since we want peace, you will also give us an opportunity to go and talk to the Karamojong and tell them this issue. But I don't want you to go without cows for long. So why don't we compensate the 274?
Don't enter Lekoni, we are better for you to work. Uruji, we are getting money from Anthony, Gena Rio,
if we can bring the leadership of both the Acholi and the Karamojong,
we are not the tell me actually, Kikaramoja,
and we agree that this big-headedness, as you're saying, must end.
We are doing and did with Bora Channel, maybe don't come out. Before I go, and Chino Legoni, Congo ye when iti ka twere ki gamente tiki kel di o bi yoro di mi ario ki pier bier wi angwa ti don gi dum chen ki lok ki jana ka unu ye o ye okay for they have accepted.
So please accept the 20
o ye
that you have refused so far.
Pier de mo chana ma wo kwerne ni o ye.
You received those 30,
Ni o ye go pitu
the 274,
kadong mi ario ki pier bier wi angwa
which you shall share to the, equally in the 3 districts. Or at least, okay.
I found out what happened. The other parties accepted theirs. Kidum took 150, Abim took 20. For us, we okay with your proposal. Bring the 274 to Agago, return the 30, because these are Keserani animals.
Ni biarade ke mo sirani udokchem eba mo chane ki kelgere mo no kabon konvenu the town is
Okay, so we'll do that as a
eno chipo ye tamba won komo ni bati yugo meno ko dong chingu for won kom do
we'll do what LC5 chairman says.
kita eno proposing with you kwere
We'll
give me a rio ki piara we angwene
we'll be 74 here. Now,
just one district, Agago district, because ours, they given a number, the figures we shall give general very clearly.
Okay.
Yes, please.
Now, 2,000 we can't get there. Let's move slowly. Now, I wanted to thank you for agreeing with me. Now, I wanted to inform you the army is doing a lot of work to stop this issue of cattle rustling. Even the fact that the problem has reduced, it's because of a lot of work of the EPDF. I would like again the 3rd Division Commander to come and read for you some of the achievements.
Donc, le dit, Division Commander, me adet,
in terms of collecting guns and cows and so forth. I want to read through what we have achieved in Karamoja. We have really done a very good job as UPDF. And if we have not done anything, I think we would be having many people in the camps.
Happening now. Tutaataganya mu mpeereza yaffe okukutuusaako ebyakagwawo. Happening now.